Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings folks, this is Saranya Narayanamurthy and welcome to the Mind Business. So, in today's episode of Mind Business, we are going to discuss more about why do we love cold-hearted characters. Yes, though we all seek love in our everyday life, why is it that when it comes to movies or series or even in fiction novels, we love cold-hearted characters, right? Be it the professor of Money Heist, Harvey Spector in Suits, or Jennifer Parker from a very well-known novel by Sidney Sheldon. All these cold, hard, never budging characters always tend to have an authority and sexual attractiveness towards it. They display a sense of weird cockiness that cannot be ignored. But as human, when we continue to live our lives every day, these are the kind of characters we usually do not go nearby. These are the characters we tend to avoid in our everyday life. When we continue to seek love, care, emotion, and showcasing that you really care about, how come when it comes to these fictional episodes, we love these kinds of people? Okay. Psychology has a bit weird sequence in here. Similar to The Pomegranate by Khalil Gibran, wherein he says, place a basket of fresh pomegranates in front of your home and tell people, this is free. Take it and eat it. Nobody touches the pomegranate. But when you put in a price card towards it saying fresh pomegranates available for 30 pounds or whatever it is, and then you see a swarm group of people coming in there and asking for pomegranates when you don't even display it. Humans respond to demand. And that is a very well-known human psychology, but the one that is not really made aware of. When something is expressed infinitely, it is easily taken for granted. When love is expressed freely, it is never wanted. Or it's never desired because it's already there. And we never desire for what is already available. We desire for what has been restricted from us. Truth is like breast. Perfect until the time it is half covered. Though this quote might not look very much significant, or though it doesn't look very normal or modest to convey, this does have a deeper meaning into it. When something is evident or when something is given to us, we never dwell a lot of it. But when something is restricted or when we do not have it, we tend to move forward and forward to it until there is a point when it repels us completely, or until the point when we acquire it. And when we acquire, the same story continues. Similarly, when a person is cold, he leaves a lot to the other person's imagination. When someone does not show you that they care, you tend to dwell deeper on, why does this person behave this way? What is it there? And every time they speak less, you tend to see them more attractive. And every time they convey less, you tend to understand a lot. That's why art is a very prominent form of self-expression. Art does not convey anything in an extremely elaborate way, but it does hold a varied story with respect to different people's imagination. So are poems. So rather than a prose, a poem is appreciated because of not the poetic expression that it uses, but the restrictions that it has within its words. How much it conveys with the lesser words. That's what defines it, and that's what makes it sexier. So this throws up a lot of questions which almost remain unanswered. When a person is cold, you really don't get a lot out of them. And when a person is available, when he shares a lot, answers, emotions, expression, nothing is desired because you get it without a desire. We have a lot to dream and desire about when a person does not showcases a lot of things. Hence, here comes the attraction. So, this is one of the main reasons why a lot of cold characters in fictions or episodes or in movies has a lot of attraction to them. But does it mean that you need to be cold in order to be attractive? Not really. Though it is not advisable to pour yourself out of there, every person is unique, and your uniqueness is what attracts many people to you, and especially the ones who are more likely to be attracted to you. Which means a magnet attracts only the iron, it doesn't attract the plastic. Similarly, be the magnet as you are. Do not budge or do not give away or do not try to resonate with anyone else. Because as a human, at the end of the day, you are beautiful just the way you are. So with this, I'm signing off here and let me meet you in the next episode to make it super spicy once again. So until then, take care and wish you a many more happy new year.